6 years after Samsung's first foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold, we might finally get the true smartphone and tablet experience we've been waiting for. With Huawei just launching its first commercial trifold, all eyes are now on Samsung's response, the G Fold. Here are 5 major updates, including when it might drop. The design we've been waiting for. The original Fold promised a tablet in your pocket, but let's be honest, that tall cover screen and 7.6-inch main display didn't quite deliver. Enter the G Fold, a 6.5-inch cover screen and a 10-inch main display that could finally bridge the gap between phone and tablet. No compromises. Hinge revolution. Leaks suggest the G Fold will keep the Fold 7's frame and one hinge, but the second hinge is a game changer. Unlike Huawei's S-style Fold, where screens stack riskily, Samsung's G-style design wraps the main display, boosting durability. No more paranoid scratches on the cover screen. Crease and display upgrades. Thinner, flexible glass than the Fold 7. Check. But will the crease vanish? Leakers say it'll match the Fold 6. Visible if you look closely, but not a deal breaker. And those flat edges? They're back, with a centered camera module and sleek rings, though Samsung still can't outslim Huawei's Folds. Weight and thickness trade-offs. Expect the G Fold to weigh close to Huawei's Mate XT but be slightly thicker. That second hinge needs room after all. Still, if it means a more reliable Fold, we'll take it. Release strategy. Bad news if you're impatient. Production starts in August with a likely early 2025 launch. And like Huawei, Samsung might test waters with a limited release first. This won't be cheap, but trust us, it could be the foldable that actually replaces your phone and tablet. One more thing, Samsung's shaking up the Fold 7 too. Want all the details? Check out our next video. This is a TIFF official, see you there. Drop a comment. Would you upgrade to a trifold? And smash that like button for more foldable leaks.